Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find news messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click messages. Now here you'll find news messages settings. Here you can manage it as you want. Here you will find all the news messages, and that's it. That's how to find news messages settings on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.